Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and this is one of those box videos. Before we open the box and see what's inside the box, I have to give a public message, and that is regarding these battery powered cells. These cells we use all in our everyday life. Sony also makes these cells, and you can see this is one of the examples. Recently I saw in the market that some fake cells of Sony are coming, and they are called like this S-Sony, and there are a lot of them and the same material as Sony does, in the same color, because Sony also have these silver ones, and they are almost of like the same price, and you can see that they're not in every grocery store, so be careful when you're buying themselves. So now on to the video, and let's see what's inside the box. Today we have this clock. Yes, so we have this fancy cartoon character type clock here, and we're going to open this. From the back you can see there are 5 screws which we are going to open from the screwdriver. So now I've opened up all these screws, and let's open this. Wow. So like you have the needles and all the machinery up here, and on here it's just it's glass and this front cover. So let's see, it still moves, and let's see if we can open this and see what's inside. So now I've opened this, and like all the needles, they are here. This is the second one, this is the minutes, and this is the hour, and all the machinery is here which we are going to open. I can't find any other way of opening it, so we've opened it, and you can see these are all the gears, components. Yes, and this is all the wire in the circuit which takes the power from the battery and moves the needles. We've done with what was inside, so now let's break this first. And now it's time for this clock, and this is the glass, so we have to be very careful with that. Well guys, that concludes my video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up.